Guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance, or YFI. YFI is currently at the $8,755 level, right? Today we are going to be looking at basically what I call the realistic price prediction right here for YFI. So you probably have seen some ridiculous price prediction. Today we want to look at the realistic price prediction right here for YFI. So YFI currently has a market cap of about $291 million. We have a 24-hour volume for about $36 million. And we are up for the month of March just about 16.2%. And so without further ado, let us push over to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD theta. We're on the weekly time frame, right? And so right here, to get our exact price prediction, we would be using the Fibonacci price prediction tool. The Fibonacci price prediction is a very accurate tool that can be used to predict the price movement right here for YFI. So the highest take note we could see YFI push right here is the 1.618, right? We probably could not get to this level, the $124,000 level, because we just have the devs have a problem with the project, right? But minimum we are expecting in 2024, we could see price get to as high as the $56,000 level. But technically, if everything goes well, YFI could still get to the $124,000 level right here for YFI, which is still a possibility, a very huge possibility. So that's the highest we can expect. That's the realistic price prediction right here for YFI. First is the golden pocket. That is the minimum we could see get hit, which is 56,000, and the highest we can go is the 1.618, which is currently at the $124,000 level, right? So that's the update right here on YFI, of the realistic price prediction. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.